Welcome to another Shumi unboxing video. Today, we actually have something very exciting. All three of our brand new bait exclusives from Bruce Lee's Enter the Dragon. So these three pops, we have the white pants and scars version, the yellow suit flying man version, and the gold flying man version. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into these, starting with our white pants and scars. As mentioned in our previous videos, a good way of opening your Funko boxes without damaging the box itself is to use the flat end of a razor blade or any other thin metallic or rigid object. Just slide it under that front edge and gently lift one corner out, letting you pop that whole box open. But let's get into this Funko. And right away we see it is in that double clamshelled packaging on the inside there. No dimples holding it in together, just the tension of the box. And no base plate included with this pop as well. But as we get a little more detail on this Bruce Lee, you can see the placement of those scars is perfect in accordance to the film, as well as that little bit of roughed up, kind of dirty texture to his pants and face there. But without much further ado, let's get into some close-ups of this first pop. And because we opened it up with that razor blade, keeping the edges nice and intact, you can slide that back in to a beautifully preserved Funko Pop. Up next, we will check out this bait exclusive yellow suit flying man Bruce Lee here. So once again, we have a different Enter the Dragon art style on the side, pop number 592 down here. The same options for the different pops available of Bruce Lee, as well as that artwork on the back. And of course, the window box Funko Pop packaging. So let's check out this yellow-suited flying kick or flying man Bruce Lee. Once again, that double clamshell packaging on the inside, keeping it nice and safe. And then immediately, you can see the detail on the sculpting of this Funko. Seeing the musculature beneath that yellow suit, and then the cloth kind of folding over top of it. But once again, let's get some close-ups of this Bruce Lee and check him out in a little bit more detail. And for our final pop, we will go ahead and check out the Flying Man full gold version of Bruce Lee here. So let's get this one open. And let's check out that full gold Bruce Lee. Alrighty, once again, we have that double clamshell inner packaging here to keep it nice and safe. And you can immediately see that beautiful detail once again on this flying man sculpt. And if the blurring paint lines or a little bit of that smudginess is something that bothers you on most Funko Pops, of course, this will give you all of that beautiful detail in one shiny gold finish. So let's get a couple close-ups and check this guy out in a little bit more detail. So there we have our three brand new bait exclusive Funko Pops from Bruce Lee's Enter the Dragon, available right now at shumistore.com. Let us know down below what you guys would like us to unbox next, and of course, subscribe to Shumi Nation so you don't miss our next unboxing video.